Welcome. Hi, I'm Dr. V. Srinivas, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Studio Siddhartha College of Political Science. Today's topic, Introduction to Business Process Management. Corporate firms talk about the business process, but there is a lot of confusion and unclear in the concept of business process. To provide some clarity, here is the information that people need regarding what is the process and why the small and business firms need to understand. What is business process? A business process is defined as a series of tasks uh, or a set of activities performed by a group of stakeholders to achieve an organizational goal. The processes are performed by people or systems in a structured manner to attain a predefined objective. Efficient and streamlined execution of business process directly contributes to the success of business operations and growth. Business process has always been defined in simple terms as a set of activities and tasks that once completed will accomplish an organizational goal. Business process is an activity or set of activities that can accomplish a specific organizational goal. The business process is a series of connected actions assigned to specific stakeholders designed to achieve a set of goals or to produce value. Definition of business process. The term business process refers to a collection of activities required to achieve a commercial result. Each business process we have includes methods and outputs. The inputs are what must be in a place before the method can be applied. When the method is applied to the inputs, outputs are created. A business process is a collection of related structural activities that produce something of value to the organization, its stakeholders, or its customers. It can be part of larger encompassing process, and it can include other business processes that have to be included in its method. Business process can be viewed as workflows. Each step in a business process denotes a task that is assigned to a particular participant. It is the fundamental building block for several related ideas such as the business process management, process automation, etc. Business process management is a critical for understanding how a company delivers products or services. It is a great way to identify possible improvements or detect compliance issues. Regardless of business size, BPM helps improve business efficiency. An example, let's consider hiring process of an HR department, right from the posting the job opening to onboarding this employee. There are multiple steps involved in the process. Although this can vary from the organization to organization, a simple workflow might look at this. The HR executive posts job updates, multiple candidates apply in a portal. HR executive screens the candidates and filters the best fits. The selected candidates are called for the next stage in this recruitment. The right candidate is chosen at the last stage of the recruitment. The salary and policy negotiation take place. The offer letter is sent and candidate accepts. Business process management enhances an organization's business process effectiveness, efficiency, and agility. It involves using tools and techniques to analyze, design, implement, monitor, control, and optimize business process. BPM focuses on improving organizational performance, like automating manual tasks, and streamlining operations through automation. Business process management is a way to improve and standardize processes in an organization. It can eliminates human error and process gaps while improving efficiency and compliance. It also enables organization to identify areas where improvements can be made to improve overall efficiency. BPM helps organizations identify areas to cut costs and make their processes more efficient. Through this process, business can increase productivity while reducing the cost. Business process management defines specific organizational tasks, refines how those tasks get executed, and puts a system in the place that can analyze and monitor how efficient workflows are functioning. BPM is a mathematical one step at a time plan for meeting the specific business objectives. By injecting more defined planning and technical automation, it, existing business process, the goal of BPM is increasing operational efficiency. The promise of a successful BPM strategy is the ability to deliver services and products faster. Business analysts review current business rules, various stakeholders, and discuss desired outcomes with the management. The goals of the process design stage is to gain an understanding of the business rules and ensure the results are aligned with organizational goals. Step two, this model, business lifecycle model. Step two, modeling refers to identifying, defining, and making a representation of a new processes to support the current business rules for various stakeholders. Step three, execute. Execute the business process by testing it live with a small group of users first and then open it up to all users. In case of automated workflows, artificially the process to minimize errors. Establishes Step four, establishes key performance indicators and track metrics against them using reports or dashboards. It's essential to focus on macro or micro indicators and enterprise process versus process segments. Step five, optimize with an effective reporting system in place. An organization can effectively steer operations toward optimization or a process improvement. Business process optimization is a redesign of the business process to streamline and improve process efficiency and strengthen the alignment of individual business processes with a comprehensive strategy. What are the benefits of implementing business process management? Business process management helps organization move toward the digital transformation. The main advantage of digital transformation now this modern business world has been transformed to digitalization. That's why business process management helps organizations to transform their process into digitalization. Here are some of the key benefits of using business process management in the business. Improved business agility. Changing and optimizing an organization's business process is necessary to keep up with the market conditions. Given in life, this market is very fierce competitive world. That's why businesses how to upgrade their process to meet the customer demands. BPM allows organizations to pause business processes, implement change. Change is inevitable. That's why organizations need to improve their business process and re-execute them, altering workflows as well as reusing this and customizing them enables business process to become more responsive to and gives the organization deeper insights into the effects that process modifications have. Reduces costs and higher revenues. A business process management tool eradicates bottlenecks, which significantly reduces costs over the time. And effect of this can be reduction in the lead times for product sales, giving the customers quick access to services and products, which leads to higher sales and improved revenue. Business process management solutions can also allocate and track resources to reduce waste, which can also reduce the costs and lead higher profits. Higher efficiency. Integration of business process brings the potential for end-to-end improvement in the process efficiency. If organization wants to improve this process efficiency, there's BPM, business process management. The system is crucial and plays a vital role. With the right information, process owners can closely monitor, delay, and allocate additional resource if needed. Automation and removal of repetitive tasks, redundancy. There's most organizations repeat the task that leads to higher costs. So this business process manager helps to avoid and remove this repetitive tasks and do more efficiencies in the business process. Better visibility. BPM software enables automation while ensuring real-time monitoring of the key performance metrics. This enhanced transparency leads to this better management and ability to modify the structures and processes efficiently while tracking the outcomes. Business process, compliance, safety, and security. A comprehensive business process management guarantees that the organizations comply with the standards and stay up to date with this law. BPM can also promote the safety and security measures by properly documenting procedures and facilitating compliance. As a result, organizations can encourage their staff to safeguard organization assets such as private information and physical resources from the misuse, loss, and theft. Risk mitigation. Risk is inherent with any business process and requires that can be managed with each process. Business process modeling is crucial in helping organizations understand the context of risk. By identifying the risks in business process, organizations can decide what level of the risk they are ready to accept and implement the proper control framework to avoid process failures.